everyone, Tom here with MaxHousePrice. I wanted to personally invite you for our upcoming webinar. We're going to be talking about our win-win home selling system to net you or your clients more money at sale. Hey Mason, do you mind telling them why they should register for the webinar?
You will learn how there are no out-of-pocket costs for you or your clients for renovations that MaxHousePrice pays for, manages, and completes.
Awesome, thanks. Michaela, anything else that they'll learn?
MaxHousePrice doesn't get paid until the property sells. It is really a win-win.
Awesome, thank you guys. So click the link to register for the webinar, and in the meantime, if you have any questions about how MaxHousePrice can help you net more money at sale, feel free to give us a call or text us at 703-215-2144. MaxHousePrice.
We net you